Okay, students, you can see the screen.
Can, sir.
Can, yeah. Who is Brian Tambun? Why have here? Okay, student, please change your names, yeah. If you use the Zoom account, your brother or your sister. Karena sir nanti belum hafal semua namanya, jadi please change, ya. Okay, students. Today, Sir Juan will explain to you about the project. Ya, kid. This is project in Wattpad, ya, not Microsoft Word, but Wattpad and Paint. Yeah, what you have to do in there, typing in Wattpad and drawing in Paint about input and output devices. Ya, kid. Yeah. Here have the instruction. Yeah, your assignment. Sir Juan give two option. Yeah, give two option. Give two option. Yeah. What the option? What Sir Juan give? Yeah, the first have assignment with computer or laptop. Make a list of input 5 device. Jadi kamu buat nanti di Wattpad 5 input device. I believe every student already know, ya. Kamu type input device 1, keyboard, computer mouse, and then scanner, and then what again? Web camera, and then what?
Joystick.
Joystick. Okay, only 5. After that, yeah, make output device 3. The example what, Michelle?
Printer.
Yeah, printer. And then projector.
Monitor.
And then speaker. Yeah, speaker. Okay, you type that. And then setelah itu, kid, you draw only one. Kamu draw only one. Digambar satu saja. Dari input device 1, dari output device 1 juga. Ya, so input 1 yang kamu yang draw, yang digambar itu cuma 1 dari masing-masing kedua itu. Input 1, output 1. But Sir Juan tidak membatasin, ya. If you want to draw 5 semuanya digambar, it's okay. Ya, tapi minimal Sir Juan only make 1, minimal at least. Sir, I want to draw 3 devices. Wow, good. Sir, I want to make 2 devices, 2 gambar. Okay, that's good, ya. Okay, students. How about if you don't have laptop or computer? Bagaimana kalau nggak punya komputer sama laptop? Ya, you can make it in smartphone. Ya, Sir berikan di sini smartphone or Android. JC Paint. Ya, you ever study about this, kid? Pernah belajar ini? JC Paint pernah buka? Oh ya, Gracia. Ever, ya. Gracia, you raise hand. Sorry. Okay, what have you?
May I drink, sir?
Okay, Gracia, please. Okay. JS Paint, and please click in this link, ya. Kamu bisa buka JS Paint itu like this. Kamu klik this link, ya. This is, you can go to JS Paint langsung, ya, aplikasi. You can draw in there. Jadi kamu bisa menggambar di situ and can type. Kamu bisa mengetik also with your handphone or Android. Jadi no reason, ya, tidak ada alasan, sir, I don't have laptop, I don't have computer. You can use with your phone or smartphone or Android, ya. And here student have tutorial to draw an output device and input device use Android. Ya, di sini ada juga YouTube, Sir kirim if you want to watch how to draw in JS Paint, ya. Don't forget, ya, kid, save the file and send to my WhatsApp or email also can, ya. The email juandra@gmail.com, and deadline on Wednesday. Ya, Wednesday 18 August. Ya, I give 1 week ya kid, kasih 1 minggu ya kid. Okay, students, the next slide I want to show you. Yeah, this one. So how to open Wattpad? Yeah, how to open Wattpad? You can choose this step. Yeah, click start button in here, start button, and then Windows accessories. Yeah, you can click Windows accessories in here, kid. This one. Yeah, change the color first. Yeah. Yeah, this one. And then Windows, you can also type here, kid, if you don't want to use this, kalau kamu nggak mau pakai start Windows accessories and use Wattpad ya, sini ada Wattpad, kamu bisa juga, you can also type in, this is Windows search ya, atau search bar, di sini kamu ketik Wattpad, maka dia akan muncul nanti Wattpad di situ. So you can click directly, kamu langsung bisa klik dan dia terbuka Wattpad-nya. Ya, this is Wattpad. This is window Wattpad. Ini jendela Wattpad, tampilan Wattpad kit. Ya. Ya, after you have open like this, you can type directly kit. Kamu bisa mengklik langsung di sini dan kamu ketik langsung input devices. Ya, you can type 1 bla 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 bla, 2 bla 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 bla, 3 bla bla bla. Oke. And then make output 3 output devices. Ya, kamu buat output devices. Ya. After that, students, you can type the output and input devices, and you can draw directly di sini, kid. Now look at this. Rebecca, you can read this. What is this? Apa ini, kid, yang sering ini? You can see this one. Apa ini? Oh. Deandra, you can read this one. What is this? You can see this paint drawing. Ya, paint drawing. Ya. Jadi kit in Wattpad, di Wattpad ini juga kit, you can klik this paint drawing directly. Bisa langsung menggambar atau melukis di sini, draw. Nanti after you type in here, kamu langsung klik this one, and then you can go to paint drawing. Ya, ya, later we try ya, kit. Oke, this is the result example, kit. This is punya Serjuan, ya. Ini contohnya, kit, yang sudah selesai, ya. This one, look at this. This is Wattpad, ya. Ini Wattpad, kit, in here. Ya, this is Wattpad, ya. Wattpad. Oke. This is help. This is Serjuan type in Wattpad. Input devices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ya, until 5, ya, and then output device 1, 2, 3, ya, you can choose one. Kamu boleh memilih salah satu, kan Serjuan kan bilang one, ya. Hanya satu yang kamu draw. More than one, boleh can, boleh, ya, tapi minimal satu you draw, ya. Choose the one, ya, choose yang paling easy one, yang paling gampang, kit. The example Serjuan draw computer mouse, ya, ini yang mouse komputer. Yang outputnya I think the easy one is monitor, ya, atau ya, monitor. Serjuan draw monitor. Okay, if already have like this, you can save. Don't forget click file, ya, and then choose save, ya. After you choose save, ya, setelah dipilih save-nya langsung kemari dia, kit. Ya, don't forget, kit. Choose the folder, di mana folder yang kamu mau inginkan. Di example Serjuan save in folder download. Ya, klik, saya klik download. Ya, Serjuan save. And here file name-nya, file name. Ya, don't forget to type. Jangan lupa mengetik your name. The example, Evan's project, the example. Atau Deandra project. In here ya, kid, don't forget. After you type your name, don't forget to click this one, save. Save, ya. Kalau sudah diklik save, maka sudah tersimpan kid. Ya, if you already save, kalau sudah tersimpan kid, now you must send your file to my WhatsApp. Okay, before I continue, Sir Juan want to ask whoever open WhatsApp in computer or laptop? Siapa yang tak pernah?
I always, sir.
Wow, Michelle always. How about you, Gideon? Wow, Rebecca. Who is again? Yang always atau yang sering buka WhatsApp in computer or laptop?
Kayla, sir.
Oh, Indah. Oh, semua ini ya. Okay. I believe you already have, ya, you have seen like this ya. Kamu udah pernah melihat seperti ini, ya. Oke, send your file to WhatsApp ya, kid. Jadi send your file, kirim ke Sir Juan ya. Kamu open this one, web.whatsapp.com, ya. Kamu buka di browser kamu, maybe you use, mungkin kamu gunakan Google Chrome atau Mozilla ya. UC browser, up to you lah ya, kid. The example. Sir Juan ini use Google ya. Jadi ini whatsapp.com. After that you click here, you type here. Because you want to send to Mr. Juan, so you type here Mr. Juan supaya nanti langsung muncul name Sir Juan in here. After that, setelah itu kid, after you choose Mr. Juan's WhatsApp, klik this one. Ya, tanda ini kita tampilkan ini ya. And then klik this one, document. Ya, after you click this document, maka ada muncul this box. Ada kotak seperti ini, kid. The next step, you choose your file tadi. Kamu choose di mana file kamu tadi. Sir Juan tadi simpan di download. You klik download. Ya. And then klik this one. Klik your file. Ya, klik your file and then open. Ya, setelah open maka muncul seperti ini, kid. Ya, this one. Ya. If you have like this, kode seperti ini, and then kamu klik this one. If you already click, maka project kamu sudah terkirim to Sir Juan. Ya. Oke, students. This one, students, ya. Project kriteria, Sir Juan memberi nilai kepada kalian itu dari skill, keterampilan menggunakan komputer atau smartphone ya, kalau punya smartphone. Kreativitas kamu, this is one, kid. Kreativitas kamu, kid. Your creativity. Sir Juan tadi say you draw only one ya, but you want to draw 3, more than 1 atau 4. Ya, itu okay, itu kreativitas kamu. Dan nanti gambarnya itu bisa kamu warnain. You make it as good as possible ya. Itu kreativitas kamu, kid. Oke, kontennya ya, kontennya saya nilai juga. 5 devices, itu betul nggak input devicesnya? Output devicesnya betul atau tidak? Oke, students. Saya sudah terima tugas kamu kemarin. Some students, beberapa siswa itu make itu CPU itu dibuatnya sebagai input proses, input device. Actually CPU as sebagai apa CPU, Kip?
Processing device, sir.
Oke, proses device ya, proses device CPU ya. Kemudian monitor itu adalah sebagai output device. Dan itu monitor ya, bukan komputer. Ya, saya lihat kemarin some student make monitornya itu dibuat komputer dan itu sebagai input. Salah ya, Kit. Monitor itu sebagai output. Oke, nanti kamu cek ya tugas kamu yang mana yang salah. Oke, students. Now we go to this is Wednesday, deadline-nya Wednesday 18 August 2021. Oke, students, now go to Wattpad ya. Kita Pergi ke WordPad dulu ya. Start button, klik start button, and then ya yang punya laptop komputer boleh langsung ya. You can practice directly ya. Windows accessories. Di sini Windows accessories. Ya, this one. Klik this one, and here have WordPad ya. WordPad ya, WordPad. This one ya. Or if you don't want use this step, kalau nggak mau gunakan step ini, kamu langsung klik sini Kit, di sini start ya, di search box ini ya, di kotak pencarian, kamu ketik WordPad ya, langsung muncul Kit di sini Kit. Have here ya Kit. Oke, if you already have here, you can klik buka. Oke, already open ya, sudah terbuka Kit. Oke, Serjuan want to type 5 input ya, input devices. Oke, 1 keyboard, example 2 computer mouse, 3 joystick, 4 web camera, 5 digital camera. The example ya. This is 3 output devices. Okay, 1 printer, 2 monitor, 3 projector. Okay, finish Kit. Now sir want to make it, give the color, the example, the block, give the color, mungkin colornya ada yang lain, but mau kamu perbaikin Kit, ya boleh Kit, make it as good as possible ya, buat terbaik, buat sebagus mungkin. Mau dibesarkan hurufnya Kit, ya pilih ini Kit. This is make for the example. Now sir want to draw, kan only one. Choose the easy one. Yang mana yang paling gampang Kit? The easy one. Okay, sir mau choose this one, computer mouse. I think this is easy. Yeah, click directly this one. You can see this one, Michelle. What is this? Pen drawing, ya. Pen drawing. Kayla, you can see this pen drawing. Bisa lihat ini, Kayla?
Can, sir.
Okay, can. Okay, you can click directly this. But if you want to draw, ingat perhatikan ini, Kid. This is important, Kid. You want to draw computer mouse supaya letaknya nanti di sini, Kid. Kamu klik, perhatikan ya, this is ya. Saya ulangi. If you want to draw computer mouse, letakkan kursornya, cursor kamu di sini, Kid, di tulisan computer mouse, supaya nanti letaknya di sini, di sebelah ini, ya di sini. Kamu jangan letakkan mouse kamu, cursor kamu di sini. Kamu mau menggambar mouse, nanti gambarnya di sini, Kid. Jadi klik here, oke? And then klik pen drawing. Ya kita try ya. Oke, langsung Kid. Kita langsung dibawa ke pen, ya. Ya, how to draw mouse? Ya, sering gambarnya nggak begitu cantik ya Kid, tapi saya usahakan. Klik this one. This is, ya, klik this one. Oke, saya besarkan. Klik this one ya, ini. File. Oke. And then klik this one. Ya, garis yang ini Kid. Buat begini, luruskan dulu. Ini nanti bisa dibengkokkan Kid. Oke. And then you can klik dan ditarik, bengkokkan. Oke. And then klik this one Kid. Yang line, line-nya yang lurus ini ya, line. Kalau yang tadi namanya curve. Ya, this is curve. Ini yang line. Yang line klik. Yang line klik. Oke, luruskan. Oke. And then if you want to make cable, membuat cable Kid, buat aja pakai pensil Kid. This. Pensil. Ya, pensil Kid. Ya, buat pensilnya gini aja Kid. Iya, kamu buat aja Kid begini. Oke. And then if you want to make color Kid, yeah, don't forget Kid, choose the color here Kid. The example I want to make blue color, choose blue. Nanti di sini berubah Kid. This is black ya. Ya, Sir Juan klik blue, sini blue. After that, don't forget choose this one. Yang cat tumpah, fill with color. Klik ini, filter klik, geser kemari Kid. Look at. Mouse pointer Sir jadi cat tumpah itu. Klik di dalamnya. Klik lagi. Oke. Sir Juan, we want to make this is yellow color. The example ya. Terus yellow color. Ada yellow ya Kid di sini. Ya, sudah terklik ini. Coba klik. Sir Juan mau apanya ini red. Yang garisnya, lainnya. Coba kita try line. Kita red color. Ini ya. Pilih line-nya aja, garis luarnya. Ready Kid? Wow. If already Kid, coba kita minimizekan Kid. Kita minimizekan ya Kid this one. Kita minimizekan pane-nya ya Kid. Look at that Kid. Wow. Ready Kid? Sudah ada Kid. Ya, already have di Wattpad tadi Kid. This is Wattpad. Ya. Sir Juan mau mengecilkan. Kalau mau dikecilkan boleh, ini kan terlalu besar Kid. Ya. Select rectangle. Coba kita kecilkan aja supaya dia ini. Jelek ya Kid. Kita undo, coba ulangi ya. Sir Juan repeat. Oke, coba di crop. Iya, kita crop ya Kid. Kita select baru crop. Maka coba lihat di sini. Semakin kecil ya Kid. Oke, it is okay. Kalau mau dibuat besar, mau kecil, terserah. And then, Sir Juan want to draw monitor. So, the step pertama sekali, you must put your mouse your cursor. Cursornya di sini. Cursornya in here, di sebelah monitor. And then klik paint. This one, paint drawing. Iya, dia pergi lagi ke paint. Ya, kita besarkan Kid. Oke. How to make monitor? So easy Kid. Just this rectangle. Rectangle, klik rectangle. And then draw. This one. Ready. And then rectangle again. Rectangle-nya lagi. Tapi kamu draw kecil Kid di tengah-tengah. And then choose this one Kid. Opal ya Kid. Buat di tengah-tengah Kid, opal. Oke. And then don't forget to make color Kid. Dibuat colornya Kid supaya sama semua Kid. Ya. The example we make this one. Ya, choose this. Oke. Jadi seolah-olah dia sama Kid. And you want to make this one blue color ya. Blue color. Choose this one. Finish Kid. Kita mau kecilkan. Select this one. Klik select and then rectangle selection. Kita select begini. Oke. And then crop. Coba klik crop. Ya, udah terkecil ya Kid.
Dia pakai komputer sana.
Now kita minimizekan Kid. Minimizekan yang ininya Kid, paint-nya. Minimizekan. Already have Kid. Wow. Already have Kid. It means my project have finished. So easy ya Kid. Only one, satu aja yang di draw. Kalau mau lebih, it is okay, good. Okay, students. You can choose the easy one. Kamu pilih aja yang paling gampang digambar. Ya, if you want to draw keyboard, ya keyboard, joystick, computer mouse atau printer, ya up to you. Terserah. Ya, this is according to Mr. Juan. Ini menurut Sir Juan yang gampang itu, ya draw monitor and also draw computer mouse sebagai input dan outputnya monitor. Okay, student, if you have question, please ask me. Before I continue, saya save nanti ini Kid. Oke, Sir, lanjut ya. After you finish like this, don't forget to click file, save. File, save. Save. Yeah, have like this. You choose in where you want to save, in folder what you want to save. Yeah, Sir Juan want to save in folder this one, column D. Klik ya. Contoh ya, Kit. Sir Juan save in here, column D. Column D, Sir Juan klik. And here, file name-nya, the example, ya, Sir Juan make Dasha project. Example, Dasha project ya. Dasha project. Ingat ya, Kit, di column D dan file name-nya Dasha project. Save. Okay, already save. Now go to WhatsApp web. Yeah, go to WhatsApp web. Already have this one. Sir already have. Yeah, this one. Wow. And sir, type here the example. Sir Juan want to send to Jihan. Yeah, this is the example. Jihan. Yeah. Sir Juan click here. Jihan. Okay. After that, if already have Jihan here, don't forget to click this one. This one click. Click and click document. Yeah, document. And then just now we save in where, Kit? Di mana tadi kita simpan, Kit? Di volume. Di mana Dasya? In where?
Volume D, Sir.
Ya, volume D. Thank you, Michelle. Volume D. Klik volume D-nya. And then you search. Kamu cari ke bawah. Kalau tidak nampak, kamu scroll down. Geser ke bawah. Geser ke bawah. Ya, klik geser ke bawah. Mana Dasya? Oh, this one. Dasya ya. Have ya. Dasya ya. Dasya project. Klik. And after klik, udah terpilih. Open. Iya, kalau udah teropen begini, Kit, ya, kamu tinggal send. Kamu klik this one, send. Send. Maka project kamu have finished, sudah terkirim ke Sir Juan. Okay, students. I think enough for today. Yeah, about my explanation. If you have question, please ask me. Yeah, let me know. Students, later I share also the record Zoom ya, and you can rewatch ya. Kamu bisa menonton ulang kembali the step how to make your project. Okay, you have question, Kit? Rizky Maulana, Diandra, Evan, yes. Alessandra, understand ya?
Understand, Sir.
Okay, how about you, Jeremiah Munte? Understand?
Understand, Sir.
Wow, thank you, student ya. I hope you can do your project as good as possible. Ingat sekali lagi, Sir tadi nilai dari kriteria penilaian, skill, ya, kreativitas dan kontennya. Kontennya jangan salah ya, 5 input device, 3 output device, and kriteria and kreativitas kamu itu you can make color. Make it as good as possible. Boleh more than one. Boleh lebih dari satu kamu gambar. Okay, students, if you have understood, thank you for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye, Kid.
Bye, Sir. Thank you, Sir. Bye-bye, Sir.
Bye.